This is an upcoming project. I'm about to start to build on a new frame for this engine. It's a Neo billet twin. I think we got almost every part for the engine. Some parts will maybe not be used as the ignition, because we are discussing if we're going fuel injection, as on my TZR twin. But we got two different, what do you call this, key bone, torque arm, I don't know. A lot of bearings, adapters, adapter for the wheel, and some adapter for the vario, CVT, crankshaft, lid for the casing, for the transmission, and a whole lot of Roost cylinders. These two, by the way, are for the existing twin. And we got a couple of pipes also. I forgot to put them on the picture. This one's serious. Too bad it's been in a moisture environment, so it has been some corrosion, but we'll give that a buff and shine. And the friend asked for some measurements of the engine, so I take that and do that in this video. We wanted, let's see, now this is hard. We wanted centrum. It is about 320 millimeters centrum from the engine mount to the shock absorber, and then between the engine mounts the front, and we got it's upside down now, but we got about 225 millimeters. To the center it might be around 255 millimeters. There might be some port work to do, I don't know. I'll check that. It looks kind of good. I'll check it more thoroughly later. The owner has been porting it, and I don't want to disrespect him, because he's done a good job, but maybe there are some power to get if I'm looking it over once more. It's looking fine. Something I'm not very fond of is this adapter for the wheel. It's working, yes, but it's a drum brake. 180 kilometers top speed and drum brake, because it will be drum brake at front also. But we'll see. We got all the parts for drum brake, so it might be first. Otherwise I'll do some same mock-up as I did on the Piaggio twin. We are using a disc brake on that one, and that's superior to drum brakes. It should be all water connection and bearings and such. Can't see any pistons though. He has to order those. And maybe small end bearings, I don't know. I have to go through a couple of heads. We'll walk over to the, I'll take you on a trip in my dirty garage. Here's my workbench where I was welding the pipes. There are the pipes for the Neo Twin. This is a mock-up for my TZR. I can show you my TZR pipes also. They came out quite good. There are some modifications on the far side from here, as the chain might be hitting it. I might either reroute the last cone or make a chain guide that holds up the chain from the pipe. And hoping this will reach some more power. I have dynoed it with injection 80.3 several times, 79.8, 79.7, 80.2, so it's 80 horses. With carburetors I have dynoed it 86, if I remember correctly. I can't remember the decimal, but it's not important. And here is the injection system. Now it's a rat's nest because I'm trying and testing stuff. Those coils are from a Lamborghini. I was told that they wouldn't work, but they are working. Oops. It's looking kind of cocky. I'm very satisfied with the look of the bike. I have a front fairing, but I like this Street Fighter look. Out of air in the front tire. I'll fix that. Well, that's Saturday's update. I've been doing the pipes, as I said. And see if I can zoom. No, not there. Where do I zoom? Maybe